Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS 16-inch ZenScreen OLED MQ16AHE with 360-degree stand. So friend, ASUS announced the release of the ASUS ZenScreen OLED MQ16AHE on 13th May. And this 16-inch mobile OLED display features a 360-degree rotating kickstand providing versatility in viewing orientation including horizontal, vertical, and suspended setups, and the display supports Full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and utilizes an OLED panel that offers wide color gamut display capabilities. It supports 10-bit color depths, providing a vivid color palette, and the screen achieves a maximum brightness of 400 cadmium per meter square and covers 100% of the DCI P3 color space, ensuring accurate color representation suitable for high quality visual content. And additionally, the monitor supports HDR10, enhancing the dynamic range of the visuals. Technical specification of the ZenScreen OLED MQ16AHE including a high contrast ratio of 1 lakh GM1, refresh rate of 60 Hz, and fast response time of 1 millisecond, which contributes to a smooth and smart viewing experience. ASUS has also incorporated low blue light technology and flicker-free technology to reduce eye strain during prolonged use, and connectivity options include a mini HDMI port and USB Type-C port that support DisplayPort Alt Mode, allowing for versatile connection setups. And the device also supports USB power delivery, enabling operation and charging through a single USB Type-C connection. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.